Hello TechNinjas, here I am explaining the very basics of GitHub. I'm going to be looking here because I have another monitor, but GitHub is where you're going to store all your coding, all your history of coding, and everything you do online related to your future jobs or this new hobby you are acquiring now. So just join github.com and here click sign up. Welcome to GitHub. Let's begin the adventure. So I'm going to type my email. And click continue. You choose a password. And you enter a username. No, I don't want to receive emails. Let's check the account. Please solve this puzzle so you know you are a real person. I am a real person. It's very okay. Here, this. Yeah. We're almost done. We sent a launch code to my email. So let's check the code. Yay. So let's go. So how would I describe myself? I'm a student and it's just me. I want to start a new project. Learn to ship software like a pro. Of course I want to continue for free. Initializing benchmark, this is really cute. Well, that's it. This is my repository. So public or private, I can introduce myself in the README just like a social media. And here we have some get started. What's important here on this dashboard is that here on the left you have your home, issues, pull requests, projects, discussion, and code spaces. We're going to use projects a lot. Let's jump right in. And more important than that, here on your right, you have in your profile the contributions you have made to the dev community during the year. So every time you do something on GitHub, you have a color. It's just like social media. So every time you do something using GitHub, it shows up there. And it's really fun to look at your friends, what they're doing, and etc. Let me see if I can show you something else. I don't think so. Here, really absolutely important. When you click settings, you have on the left SSH and GPG keys. When you are trying to integrate with other platforms, sometimes they will need your SSH and your GPG keys. I'm not going to click here, otherwise you're going to see mine, so I don't want you to see mine. But if you click there, you can see your keys. They are tokens that they are directly connected to your account. So take care of them with all your heart. And here you can do public profile, email, bio, pronouns. Even if you're a researcher like me, you can connect your ID. So I have mine in my other profile, and that's it. more simple than you can even imagine. Here you are. You have your GitHub. Have fun. See you in the next video.